Good morning, students. Today we will be seeing next questions. So now example 2.23. So the question is integral. So 2.22. Integral cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x. Sin square x cos square x dx. Answer: integral cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. This can be written as cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x by sin square x cos square x dx. Yesterday only I said the formula that cos 2x formula can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. So this denominator can be written individually, that is cos square x by sin square x cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. So cos square x cos square x gets cancelled. So integral 1 by sin square x dx minus integral 1 by cos square x dx. So 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x dx minus integral secant square x dx. So integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x minus integral of secant square x is tan x plus integration constant is plus c. Next, let us see another example. So example 2.23. Evaluate integral of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Integral root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. That can be written as 1 can be written as like this: sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x dx. So far we have learned two new formulas. What is that means? Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Very important this one. Now in the square root it is looking for us a square plus b square plus 2ab. This can be written as a plus b whole square. So integral sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Square and roots get cancelled. So integral sin x plus cos x dx. So what is the integration of sin x? Sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx. Integration of sin x will be minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Let us see next example. Example 2.24. Evaluate integral cos cube x dx. So answer: integral cos cube x dx. So we have one more formula. So we have learned cos 2x right now. Cos 3x can be written as 3 cos cube x minus 4 cos x. So directly we have written 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Very important formula this also. So cos 3x, wherever you find cos cube x, there we apply cos 3x formula, that is cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now we require here cos cube. So this can be written as cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4 is equals to cos cube x. So in place of cos cube I can write cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4 dx. So we can take 1 by 4 outside. So integral cos 3x dx plus integral 3 cos x dx. So 1 by 4 integral of cos will be sin 3x by 3 plus 3 we can take out. So integral of cos will be sin x plus c. Next, let us see exercise questions. Exercise 2.4. First question. 2 cos x evaluate 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant square x minus 5 cosecant square x. Integration we are doing. So integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant square x minus 5 cosecant square x dx. So it is a summation and sum and difference. So we can write integration separately. So 2 we can take outside. It will become 2 integral cos x dx minus 3 integral sin x dx plus 4 integral secant square x dx minus 5 integral cosecant square x dx. So 2 integral cos x integral will be sin x minus 3 sin x integral is cos x, so it will become 3 cos x plus 4 secant square integration is tan x minus cosecant square integration is minus cot, minus into minus it will become plus 5 cot x plus. So everything we are doing by the formulas. The next, let us see the next question second. Second question, integral sin cube x. Previously we have seen cos cube x, now sin cube x. So what is the formula for sin cube x here? Sin 3x can be written as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So we want sin cube x. So this can be written as 4 sin cube x can be written as 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So sin cube x can be written as 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. So integral 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4 dx. So 1 by 4 we can take outside. So this can be written as 3 sin x dx minus integral sin 3x dx. So 1 by 4 it is outside, inside the brackets now. 3 will come outside, integral sin x dx minus integral of sin 3x is cos 3x minus cos 3x plus c. So 1 by 4 into 3 minus cos x, 3 into minus cos x plus cos 3x by 3 plus c. So it will become 3 by 4, okay? Overall it is brackets for us. So minus 3 by 4 cos x plus cos 3x by 12 plus c. Next, let us see the next question. So fourth question here. Integral cos, sorry, 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. So 1 by sin square x cosecant square x secant square x. So we will not get let us write like this. 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x identity we can use. Here sin square x into cos square x dx. So this we can write individually, that is sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. So sin square x gets cancelled, cos square x gets cancelled. So integral 1 by cos square is secant square x dx plus cosecant square x dx. Secant square x integration is tan x. Cosecant square x integration is minus cot x plus. Let us see the fifth question. Integral root of 1 minus sin 2x dx. It is of the similar question what we have done, but here plus was there, now it is minus. So answer, integral 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x into dx. Now if you see carefully, it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a minus b whole square, that is sin x minus cos x whole square dx. Square and roots gets cancelled, so we are left with sin x minus cos x dx. So integral of sin x dx minus integral of cos x dx. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Integral of cos x is minus sin x. Integral of cos x is sin x, minus symbol is the plus. So these are the various problems. Now let us see the new concept here, integration by parts. Let us see what is this integration by parts. So in this integration by parts, so we know this formula here in derivative, d by dx of uv. If I am saying, what you are going to do, u as it is derivative of the second function plus v as it is derivative of the first function. So if we are doing now integration on both sides, integrate on both sides, integrate on both sides. So integral d by dx of uv is equals to integral u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So integration and differentiation gets cancelled, it will be uv. So here dx na, here also dx. So dx gets cancelled. So integration of duv is equals to u dv plus v du. So here integration and differentiation gets cancelled. uv is equals to integral u dv plus v integral v du. If I am applying integration on both sides now, what we are going to get here? Integral uv, if I am applying now, then we are going to get uv minus integral v du. integral v du. So this is the formula to be used for integration by parts. So integral of two different functions uv is there. So two functions as it is minus integral of v du. Like this we can do, or else we can write directly integral of u dv. Integral of u dv is equals to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus so on. So this continuation will happen where u dash means differentiation, v1 means integration, double dash means 2 times differentiation, in v2 means 2 times integration. So this formula we can apply. So there is one rule while taking this also, ILETS, ILETS. I8, okay? I8. So this is one of the important thing to be remembered while taking this integration by parts. If we are thorough with the formulas, we are very good in this. Now I stands for inverse trigonometry function. Inverse trigonometry function, and L logarithmic function, algebraic function, A means algebraic function, T trigonometric function, and E exponential function. So based on this order only we have to give the preference to the given two functions. So first inverse, then is first inverse we have to treat it as u, and later we have to treat it as v. Like that. Now, let us give an example. Example 2.25. Integral x into e power x dx. X into e power x dx. Next, based on this IATE. So x is an algebraic function and e power x is an exponential function. So first I will read let answer. Let u is equals to x and dv is equals to e power x. So I will do differentiation to get du. So du is equals to 1, and integration to get v. Integration of e power x is e power x. Here integrate on both sides. Why? Because we have formula integral u dv can be written as uv minus integral v du. Integral u dv formula is uv minus integral v du. So u into v, that is x into e power x minus integral v, that is e power x du. V is e power x and du is 1. So for answer will be x into e power x minus e power x plus c. Here we can take e power x as common, x minus 1 plus c.